Welcome this video title Elevate Your Home with Animal House Decorations. Introducing a home is a deeply uh, personal endeavor referent that tests interior and personalize of its inhabitants from main incorporating elements of natural and wildlife into their live space can evoke a scene of tranquility, connect, and words. Animal theme decor often a diverse range of other from subtle count of old statement allow homeowner to inflow air space with chaptering and charm. We explored the enhanced world of animal house decor, often inspired and type for bringing the beauty of the natural world indoor. Embracing natural inspired color pattern. One of the simplicity a way to incorporating animal mock into your home decor is thwarting color scheme inspired by incorporating natural world. Earth tone such as bring, grow and team can enhance the feel of a forgot retreat wild vibrant hub like blue and yellow minimize the color of include bold and sterling life. Consider plant and account well in a rich schedule by green remarks and color fault by add through blue in shaved a low and rest by echo wall for the immune landscape. Statement price animal theme functional and artwork make a both statement into your home with furniture and artwork functional animal mocked from include cover wood chair walled with worldwide scene of sticky canvas prints to materials creating there are controllers away by incorporating animal inspired price into your door. Consider a statement range, functional or both ring, button and or a leg side type, shape like an enclosure for a play for touch. Create a choosy retreat with animal inspired textile. Soft finish such as bring, gloom and ring or guns for create a cozy and invite atmosphere in an house. Choose textile, functional, animal print such as a fox or bloom. Adopt with such or plant customs. Adopt with playful pot plants layout different textile and a pillow can be deep a visitor interior to your decor will inflow your space with a warmth and personalization. Consider incorporating animal decor idea into your home is a wonderful way and calendar beauty and different of natural world life at chaptering and inviting to your living space. Whether your preference are both statement price or central counting, there are countless other available to subdue even style and textile.